Baby shark.
Wow, the shark family!
Funny and sweet.
Hey art buddies! Are you ready to draw the cutest shark family ever? Do you love sharks? Let's draw them!
So gentle and kind.
First, we are going to start with the baby shark.
Sweet songs as they swim along.
Let's draw 2 circles for its eyes.
Daddy shark.
Here we go!
He'll face any danger, he's not afraid. He hunts for food to feed his family. A true provider, as sharks should be.
Grandma Shark, Grandma Shark.
Then, draw a bigger circle for its head.
And the magic spell. She's seen so much, she's wise and old. Her tales of the sea are worth.
Don't forget its big, toothy smile. Yes, our baby shark is smiling. Now, let's give it a fin on its back and a teeny tiny nose. Now, let's add some teeth.
Together they swim, happy and free.
Draw its arms and curvy line for its tummy.
The ocean is their home forevermore.
Don't forget to draw its tail too. It can't swim without its tail. Good job! Now let's move on to the mommy shark. We'll start with her eyes, just like we did for the baby shark.
He hunts for food to feed his family. A true provider, a shark.
Just like a human mom, a mommy shark loves her babies very much. She takes care of them, feeds them, and keeps them safe. They are so sweet. Now, let's draw a big circle for her head and a bow on top. Yes, she is so beautiful. Let's give her long eyelashes, a smile, and a fin.
With his big round eyes and a toothy grin.
Draw her arms and bodies too.
Mommy shark, so gentle and kind. Always there to help, she's one of a kind. She sings sweet songs.
Wow, you are really good at drawing shark family. It's time to draw the daddy shark. Yes, our strong daddy shark. Let's start with his eyes and a small nose.
Stories to tell of the ocean's depths and the magic spell. She's seen so much, she's wise and old.
Daddy sharks are strong and powerful. They can swim very fast and catch big fish.
With whiskers so long and a shell so tough, he watches over the.
Let's draw his mouth. He's got teeth too.
How? Together
His back fin. And finally, his body.
they love and they play and they explore. The ocean is their home forever they more.
Excellent job! I can tell you put a lot of effort into this. Perfect! Kids, let's draw Grandpa Shark right here. What do you think? I love Grandpa Shark.
Kids, if you like this video, I'll draw the biggest, coolest rainbow, ever. So hurry up.
Grandma Shark. Grandpa Shark with stories to tell of the ocean's depths and the magic.
Give Grandpa Shark a big bushy mustache.
Sea are worth their gold. Grandpa Shark with stories.
I believe in you, kids. You can do it. Grandpa Shark has got a big smile on his face. Let's draw his teeth.
Calm and serene, he rests on the ocean floor. A peaceful sea
Now his back fin and finally his body.
for the family. enough. The whole shark family. Together they swim.
Alright, are we missing someone? That's right, Grandma Shark. Let's draw Grandma Shark right here next to Grandpa Shark. Our Grandma Shark's wearing glasses. Yes, for drawing glasses, we need 2 small circles. Let's draw her big smile. It's beautiful. I love Shark family. It's important to be kind and helpful to your family members. They love each other and take care of each other. I can't believe we did this. Amazing. Now let's make the lines even darker.
Okay, kids, I'll be super happy if you hit the like, but if you don't, I might draw funny faces on everything. So, please, hit the like.
Let's color our shark family. Yes, let's color them. A baby shark can be yellow. Yes. Let's color it yellow. You can be creative and draw little things on baby shark's face, like a little beautiful star. Don't forget to color its tongue red.
Sweet, swimming around so happy and fleet, with his big round eyes and a toothy grin. He's the cutest shark you've ever seen. Mommy shark, so gentle and kind, always there to help. She's one of a kind. She sings sweet songs as they swim along, protecting her baby from anything wrong. Daddy shark, so strong and so brave.
Mommy shark can be pink with a red bow and lips.
To feed his family, a true provider a shark should be. Grandma shark, with stories to tell of the ocean's depths and the magic
I love the way you color. It's amazing.
of the sea are worth their gold. Grandpa shark, Grandpa shark, so calm and serene, he rests on the ocean floor, a peaceful scene. With whiskers so long and a shell so tough, he watches over the family enough. The whole shark family, happy and free, a family of sharks as happy can be. They love and they play.
Now let's move on to Daddy Shark. He can be blue. Yes, our Daddy Shark is blue.
Baby shark, so tiny and
Blue is beautiful.
so happy and fleet, with his big round eyes and a toothy grin. He's
Don't forget to color his mouth red.
So gentle and kind, always there to help. She's one of a kind. She sings sweet songs as they swim along, protecting her baby from anything wrong.
Daddy shark, so strong and so brave. He'll face any danger, he's not afraid. He hunts for food to feed his family, a true provider a shark should be. Grandma shark, with stories to tell of the ocean's depths and a magic spell. She's seen so much, she's wise and old. Her tales of the sea are worth
Grandpa Shark can be green. I like this color. What is your favorite color?
long and its shell so tough. He watches over the family enough. The whole shark family. Ooh, how, how. Together they swim, happy and free. A family of sharks as happy can be. They love and they play, and they act Daddy Shark. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo.
What color can we use for Grandma Shark? Orange! Yes! It's perfect! She's going to love it.
He'll face any danger, he's not afraid. He hunts for food to feed his family. A true provider, as sharks should be. Grandma Shark. Grandpa Shark, with stories to tell of the ocean's depths and the magic spell. She's seen so much, she's wise and old. Her tales of the sea are worth their gold. Grandpa Shark, with stories to tell of the ocean's depths and a magic spell. She's seen so much, she's wise and old. Her tales of the sea are worth their gold. Grandpa Shark, so calm and serene. He rests on the ocean floor, a peaceful scene with whiskers so long.
Your shark family is so colorful and bright. Let's add some shadings.
They swim happy and free, a family of sharks as happy can be. They love and they play and they explore. The ocean is their home forevermore. More.
Excellent job! Remember, you can draw anything you want. Let your imagination run wild. I hope to see you next time.